Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a wagon in Minecraft. While these wagons aren't functional vehicles, they are fantastic for adding character and charm to your builds. We'll cover everything from the basic structure to the finer details, helping you create a beautiful, static piece for your world. Get ready to add some rustic flair to your Minecraft adventures with a custom-built wagon. Let's begin by laying down the foundation for your wagon. First, create a base that is 2 blocks wide and 3 blocks long using your preferred building blocks. Next, for the wheels, place 4 fence posts or stone walls at each corner of your base. To give the wheels more depth and stability, place a solid block directly on top of each fence post or wall. This forms the sturdy undercarriage. Now, let's construct the main body of your wagon. Build up the sides using planks, logs, or any block that fits your aesthetic. You can make the walls 1 or 2 blocks high. For a functional or decorative interior, place a chest or a barrel inside the wagon, suggesting it holds supplies. Consider adding a lit campfire underneath or a hay bale on top for a truly rustic and lived-in feel. Finally, it's time to personalize your wagon and make it truly unique. To simulate a horse-drawn wagon, attach a lead to a fence post at the front. For the roof, use slabs or stairs to create a more rounded or sloped appearance, rather than just flat blocks. Don't be afraid to experiment with various wood types, wool colors, and decorative items like lanterns or flower pots to achieve your desired style. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.